The appliances in our homes enrich our lives in countless ways, but these devices can also be some of the most dangerous products we have, putting young children and the elderly in particular at risk of serious injury or death, from falling on a toddler to a button-sized battery turning into a toxic pill. Yet avoiding these hazards could be as simple as taking a few precautionary measures. Here are the most dangerous tech products of all time. By definition, a baby monitor should be placed near the crib. But this increases the risk of a child being strangled and likely to play with the unit's cords within reach. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has identified at least 7 infants who have been strangled by baby monitor cords since 2002. The most recent victim is 6 months old. Make sure the baby monitor is positioned so that the cord is at least arm's length away from the child, ideally at least 1 meter. The CPSC warns that it's not just baby monitors that can pose a strangulation hazard, but motion monitoring sensor cables that are taut and shouldn't hang. There are 3 main types of distraction: a visual one that takes your eyes off the road and a manual one that takes your hands off the wheel. Take your mind off the main task of driving. Unfortunately, texting on his cell phone combines all 3 of his forms of distraction, making him especially dangerous while driving, but that didn't stop the drivers. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, cell phones accounted for 18% of the distracted driving fatalities in 2009. Resulting in 995 deaths. For drivers, there are hands-free technologies such as in-car Bluetooth hands-free kits and Bluetooth headsets. However, these are also not very useful. The Insurance Institute for Road Safety states that using a mobile phone while driving, whether handheld or hands-free, can reduce a driver's reaction speed, a level at which drivers are legally considered a disability. He had a blood alcohol level of 0.08%. It slows down to the same speed as someone with an app that prevents you from using your phone while driving is a better option. Also, the danger is not limited to driving, but texting while walking is not uncommon. According to the CPSC, an average of 1 person dies every 2 weeks from falling TVs, furniture or appliances, and on average more than 18,000 children under the age of 8 suffer similar injuries. Parents think of iron bars to prevent falls downstairs and kitchen safety to keep children off the stove, but there could be dangers like this TV, and it's the old furniture that puts it on. According to a CPSC spokesman, Scott Wolfson, he adds that even bulky old-fashioned TVs can become unstable if placed on bookshelves or stands that are too small. If you want to protect your baby against the wall or floor, it is also bolted to prevent these accidents. Document shredders aren't just dangerous for confidential documents. In 2010, the Consumer Product Safety Commission estimated that shredder accidents resulted in 2,700 emergency room visits involving patients of all ages. The reasons for these visits range from pinching a finger to injuring a foot by falling into a paper shredder, so keep children and pets away from home, the office and its shredder. The tiny coin-sized button batteries commonly found in remote controls, garage door openers, key fobs, light-up shoes, flashing jewelry, digital ear thermometers, and bathroom scales can be surprisingly dangerous. According to the National Capital Poison Center in Washington, D.C., since 1985, more than 60,000 people have swallowed miniature discs or button batteries, injuring more than 3,500 and killing 9, most of them under the age of 6. Batteries stuck in a child's throat can cause severe chemical burns. Effects begin within minutes of ingesting the battery and can perforate the esophagus within 2 hours, said Toby Litovitz, Executive Director and Medical Director of the Center for Poisons. When installing new batteries in your device, be careful not to leave dead button batteries within the reach of children. A dead battery still has enough charge left to cause the same type of burn, explains Litovitz. As we collectively continue our rapid expedition through the technology revolution, we all benefit from the tremendous opportunities that innovation brings to our lives. Even in our bliss, we must not ignore the accompanying risks that come with the dazzling new devices, software, and services. Understanding and managing the unintended consequences is important to maintaining continued trust and adoption of new technologies. Hope you liked our list. If you happen to know any other useful or entertaining and useful topic, feel free to drop us a comment, and we hope you like the video. Please give your support and strength by like, share and subscribe to Just Smart Tech. Meet you in the next interesting video.